Because
True.
what are your customers coming back to you for? You know,
Exactly.
I've already been able to carve a niche for myself
yourself.
in the fashion industry. You know, something that speaks for me.
Yeah.
I already have my signature. So
Exactly.
if you want to wear a Veekee James dress, you don't need to be told, and you don't need to tell anyone that
Yeah.
you're wearing my dress.
Exactly.
You will just, like, when someone posts a dress that I make,
Yeah.
you don't need to tag me because people will go there and tag me.
Exactly.
Do you understand? So that's like value in itself without me even talking much.
Yeah.
You know? And when I started fashion designing, I did not just wake up and start calling prices. No, it took so much. You know, it took a lot. And there's so much that I have invested in my business to make it what it is today. People don't understand. So when I charge, that's why people say, oh, why is the price like this? I'm like, you really expect me to explain that? Do we want to start from the value that you're going to be getting? Do we want to start from the time that we're going to take to detail this dress? Do we want to start from what it takes me to actually create a design for you? Because it takes me a lot. Sometimes I'm sitting down, I don't even know what to do. Sometimes I have to just even start worshiping for God to actually show me what to do. So that's why every time I say, oh, the Holy Spirit gives me designs, and they're like, how? Because the devil gives nothing, but they don't understand. It takes a whole lot. And then the Veekee James brand is a big name in itself that is not even as big as it should be, but it is big. You know, so these are the things that people pay for. But people who don't get it just cannot get it until it's time for them to get it.
and I love that. Veekee James, I feel like if you were not a designer, you would have probably been a public speaker. And you would have done amazingly well.
Didn't I warn you?
You want to stop you on your vacation?
Give me one.
It all started with a rough sketch and then transformed into this beautifully finished digital sketch for our beautiful bride, Dr. Ebuko. We finished the base of her dress and she came in for her first fitting, where we decided to change the cups to a different style for the corset, and then we went ahead to start the detailing of this dress. Notice how the beading of this dress was done on a plain base from scratch to finish. This was Dr. Ibukun at our second fitting, after which we went ahead to detail the top and sleeve of this dress. You guys, when I tell you, I cannot begin to count the amount of beads that we poured into this dress. At first, from the sketch, you would see that the dress was never meant to be this detailed. The one thing I would never do is compromise on any design. We poured our hearts into Dr. Ibukun's wedding dress, and I'm so happy that she could say this.
So beautiful. Like, I'm loving it. What I expected, what I saw in my head. Not uncomfortable. That's the most beautiful thing.
One thing about any Veekee James dress is that you will be comfortable. No matter how snatched you look, no matter how snatched we make you, you will be comfortable. Finally, the wedding day came and I landed in Abuja. I met Olori Supergirl when I got to the apartment. I met her by Ehis, and I finally met Jide of Sentola for the first time in person. Inside all of this excitement, tell me how I did not know or figure out that Pastor Bolaji would be the pastor at this wedding. I've been a stubborn child, to be honest, so it's okay. That was much needed. Anyways, I met my bride, Dr. Ibukun, and she looked so beautiful, and I couldn't wait to put her in a dress. And finally, we got her in a dress. You guys, I'm so happy. I was so happy yesterday, and I'm still very happy that we were able to make Dr. Ibukun's dream of getting married in her beautiful dream wedding dress for her wedding. I'm just so excited. Let me know, guys, what you think about this dress. Do you think we ate and left no crumbs? I think we did. In fact, I know that we did. Let me know what you guys will be rating this dress on a scale of 1 to 100. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I cannot wait to bring you guys more process videos from the Veekee James brand.
Many times I want you all to go. Some the way you nine and some the one on nine. Some the way you come on. Make the night the way you don't deserve the way no. Some the way times I want you all to go. Some the way you nine and some the wanna know. Some the way you come on. Bang the light the way you know the sun the way no no. Some the way you know the no. Some the way you hand on the shines the way you wanna Veekee. Many times I want you all to go. Some the way you nine and some the wanna know. Some the way you come on. Bang the light the way you know the sun the way no no. Some the way you know the no. Some the way you hand on the shines the way you wanna Veekee.